Hey, what's going on, guys? O2 Brennan here. Today, I'm going to tell you about the project I did at MIT. Now, with this project, I was simply doing the well-being project, which meant I had to go in at MIT because this is like some. To let you guys know, this was not a sponsored deal or anything. So basically, I turned up for MIT because I basically simply just graduated MIT. And just to let you know, as soon as the whole editing part was done, I simply noticed, as soon as I received the footage, because it's all been edited and everything, they misspelt my name. Now, I physically wrote in red, so what I might do is, I might just pop that down a little bit. Yeah. So basically, they misspelt my last name. Not my first name, my last name. Now, let me also here look for the bottom part down at the very bottom. It'll show you the way they spelt it, and this is the way that my last name is spelled. So I'm gonna change scenes now, so you're gonna see how they spelt my name. Okay, as you can see here, they spelt it this way, they spelt it this way, but what I've got up here, that's basically the correct way, because it's also my driver's license as well. So, let me just show you how it's actually spelled. That is the actual spelling of my last name. So you can see how close they were. They just messed up on one letter. Right.
Hi, my name is Brennan Lorenzo, and today we're going to be doing Donburi bowl. Now, it's pretty much simple. We have got spring onion, sesame seeds, pickled ginger, teriyaki sauce, oil, broccoli, onion, carrot, and chicken as well. It's already been cooked, so what we're going to do is we're going to be thinly slicing the chicken. Now, first things first, going to do the broccoli because it needs to cook, boil first, and then it's going to be chucked in the ice bath over here. So I'll be using half today. Now, we already have a pot boiling. So now we're going to be adding in the broccoli now. Now we're just going to let it boil for maybe a few minutes since it's on a medium heat, so it's going to be boiling for a bit. In the meantime, I will be getting on to the carrot first. So I'm just going to simply just cut in half and just thinly slice, that's it. Alright, the broccoli is now done, just chucking it straight into the ice bath. Yep. Right now, I'm just going to let the broccoli cool down for a bit. Now, going to do the onion. I'll be using half an onion. So just simply take the skin off the onion, cut it in half, just thinly slice it like so. Now with this sort of stuff, I can just save it for like stock, so we can make vegetable stock with the leftover celery as well. Pretty simple. And now for the chicken, we're just simply gonna thinly slice it. It's already been cooked by my lovely assistant, as you can see here. Whenever you're dealing with a cooked product, make sure you always like wear gloves, because otherwise, if you touch like raw chicken and you don't have any soap or anything like that, you would just like cross-contaminate and it would just make you sick. Right, so we're gonna thinly slice it. Right, that's the chicken thinly sliced. Now, just gonna pop that to the side. And now I'm gonna be flipping my board over. Now I'm gonna be doing the garnish. So let me just tail it and chop that off. Now just simply Now, you also have to do the 3-finger rule, simply one in front, two behind, so that way you can simply just cut it like this. I've seen other people put their fingers out like that. You won't, otherwise you'll just simply cut those tips off. Right, that's the garnish sorted. Yep, the broccoli is cooled off. Now I'm gonna get my assistant to put the sushi rice to warm up. Now it's just gonna be heated up in the microwave, nothing too major. Anyway, bit of oil. Now this just needs to be heated up. And now we've also got the teriyaki sauce as well, and that's just simply gonna be chucked in with the pan. All right, now we're gonna chuck in the carrot and the onion. Now, they're all just thinly sliced, so that way it will cook evenly and it won't be too major. So you won't have to worry about it being over or undercooked. Just make sure they're all thinly sliced. That's it. Sweet, my assistant is done with the rice. As you can see, it's already heated up. You can see the steam off here. Now I'm just simply gonna pop it in the bowl and get it ready for the next ingredient. Right, now we're gonna put the chicken in. Right, now we're gonna add the teriyaki sauce in now. Right, now, since the sauce and the chicken is in, now it's time to add in the broccoli. It's just to infuse the broccoli with the teriyaki sauce, so that way you will get more flavor. Right, that would be done. Now, I'm going to take it off the heat and let it just infuse a little bit more. Now, just simply place it on. You can get a bit more chicken and onion, and carrot, and a few more pieces of broccoli. Right, now the garnish. We just got a simple garnish, just pickled ginger, toasted sesame seeds, and thinly sliced spring onion. Now just simply pop some of the sliced spring onion on top, just to give it a bit of color, with some toasted sesame seeds. And lastly, pickled ginger. We're gonna pop a few on top of here, just to give it some height and color. Right, that is a Dumurami bowl.